Have you ever tried tanking? I said tanking, get your mind out the gutter. It's a key step when renovating a bathroom and not many people do it. Essentially, it's a way of waterproofing your walls in a shower area because often tiles and grout aren't enough to stop that water seeping through, but luckily it's really easy to DIY. I've done this in 2 bathrooms now and here's what I've learned. Firstly, grab yourself a tanking kit. There are loads out there and they're all much of a muchness really. Starting with the primer, this just rolls on really easily and soaks right in. Easy peasy, no time at all. Then you apply this tape in any corners or joins with the rubber part doing the waterproofing here. You also want that rubber part to sit under the edge of your bottom tile, so use your tile as a guide and tape along your shower tray. Trim off the mesh edge of the tanking tape and stick it on the wall. The tanking solution is your adhesive here too. Just brush that on to ensure your tape has really stuck. You're also going to coat over the top of all your taped parts and make sure you really get into those little corners where water could worm its way in through to the plaster. I would say this bit is the trickiest part because after that you're just rolling on 2 coats of the tanking solution. It's quite thick and gloopy rather than runny like paint. I just used a small roller because I couldn't be bothered to get the solution into a roller tray, so I just dipped the roller straight into the tub. The solution dries to a rubberized finish which waterproofs the walls, and you can tile straight on top of it, safe in the knowledge that your walls behind aren't going to get soaked and crumble off. For me, this is an essential process that I wouldn't skip, but it's totally up to your preference. And we're all done, you massive tanker.